Hello guys. So the topic is Dijkstra algorithm. This algorithm is mainly used for single source shortest path problem. Means we have to find the shortest path from the given graph. Now as it says we have to find the shortest path, means we have to work with minimization. And whenever we have to work with minimization means we have to find optimum solution. And optimization means we have to work with greedy method. And as we all know, greedy method says that in this we have to work in step by step format. Means at each step we have to consider only one input. Okay, so let's directly start with the example. Okay, before going towards this example as shown in this graph, first of all, let's learn what is the process which is to be followed in Dijkstra algorithm. Okay? For example, consider 1, 2, 3. Means, for example, we have to travel from 1 to 3, and the weightage or the cost for each edge, that is here 1 to 2 it is 2 and 2 to 3 it is 4. Now this is our starting point. Okay, let's consider it as our starting point. Now no doubt there is not any direct path from 1 to 3, but we have to travel in by following the shortest path which is possible from 1 to 3. Okay, so first we'll consider then relaxation. Okay, so initially this is the starting point of our traversing. Okay, so we'll name it, we'll consider this cost is 0. Okay, 0 to 2, for example we are traveling this one, and which is the shortest path. Okay, so the cost of this vertex, the distance of this vertex will be 2, as the cost of this edge is 2. Okay, now we have to travel from this node to this in order to find the shortest path. Means indirectly we are making a complete travel of 1 to 3. Okay, so 1 to 3 अगर हमें travel करना है, so we have to consider whole cost. Okay, so for example now let's consider this u and this as v. Means we have to calculate the shortest distance. Okay, now as we know the distance of 2 is 2, but the distance of 3 is unknown. Means let's consider this distance as infinity. Okay, so the distance from 1 to 3 we are unknown, so we will consider it as infinity. Okay, now here the condition is if the distance of v is less than the cost of edge, then we are allowed to replace it. Means what does it says? If, what does the relaxation says? If the distance of u plus the cost of edge, that is edge is nothing but the pair of u and v, is less than distance of v, then we are allowed to update. Means distance of v can easily be updated. Means we are allowed to do distance of v as distance of u plus the cost of edge. Edge means the means u and v set. Okay, so this is actually the process of updation, and this updation is called as relaxation. Okay, so this relaxation we have to follow for each and every node, each and every vertex which is available in our given graph. Okay, so now let's start with the example. So as consider, as it is given in the statement itself, this is our starting point. Okay, so we'll select this one and we will consider it as 0. Means the weight, the cost of this vertex is 0. Okay, now we have to travel this complete graph with the shortest path. Means first we have to find the shortest path and we'll then consider its whole path. ठीक है. नाउ विच वन ऑफ दीज इज कनेक्टेड टू वन. वन को कौन से कनेक्टेड है, 2 and 3. The cost is 2, means the cost of 2, the vertex 2 is 2 and the cost of 3 is 4. If we are traveling to 2, we know the weightage, we know the cost. If we are traveling to 3, we know the cost, that is 4. But if we want to travel 1 to 4, we are unknown, name it as infinite. If we want to travel 1 to 5, it is unknown, consider it as infinity. Same way for 6 as well, we are unknown with the cost, so name it as infinity. ठीक है. Now we have to move ahead, we have to travel. Which one to select, means which one is the smallest, 2 or 4. So 2 is the smallest, so select this one. Okay. Now again here the repetition will start, repetition of the process will start here. ठीक है. अभी 2 तो हमने सिलेक्ट कर दिया. नाउ विच वन आर द कनेक्टेड नोड्स, विच वन आर द कनेक्टेड एजेस टू दिस सिलेक्टेड एज. ठीक है. लेट्स कंसीडर हियर द कॉस्ट इज 1. ओके. नाउ 2 to 3 and 2 to 4 we have to travel. Now 2 plus 1. Now as per this statement defined, as per the relaxation defines, we have to make the calculation of u and the cost in order to check whether it is less than v or not. Now we are towards v, we are towards u. Let's consider this as u and this as v. Okay, so let's consider u, means u plus cost of this edge, means 2 plus 1, that is 3. ठीक है. But 3 is it less than 4? Yes, it is less than 4. Then with respect to this formula we are allowed to update it, means we have relaxed this one. ठीक है. Now the second connected edge, that is 7. Same way we'll consider this u and we'll consider this as v. ठीक है. So 2 plus 7, that is 9. And is 9 less than infinity? Yes, it is less than infinity, means it is less than v, means the u is less than v. So we are allowed to make updation here. Updation means what? We are making relax, means 2 plus 7, that is 9. Here it is updated, means now some of the vertices are relaxed. Now there may be a possibility not all the vertices are relaxed. ठीक है. Now which one to proceed? Let's compare which is the smallest one. अब smallest one किन में से smallest one? From the available one. So which are the available one? That is 3 infinity, 9 infinity. So which one is the smallest? The cost 3 is the smallest, so select that particular vertex. Okay. Now again same repetition of the task. ठीक है. Which one is connected? This 3 to 5 is connected. Again the same thing, 3 plus 3, that is 6. Is 6 less than infinity? Yes, it is less than infinity, so update it. So this one is also relaxed, ये भी relax हो गया. Okay. Now which one to select? अभी आगे तो बढ़ना पड़ेगा. Which one to select from? अभी select करना है, किन में से select करना है? 6, 9, infinity. ठीक है. Which one is the smallest? 6 one is the smallest, so we have selected this one. Now इनका connected कौन है? 4 भी है और 6 भी है. We have two different things. ठीक है. Now we have to again the same thing, consider it as u, consider it as v. ठीक है. तो 6 plus 2, that is 8. So is 8 less than 9? Yes, it is less than 9, so update. So this is also for example we have done this. ठीक है. Now the next remaining node, that is 5, that is 6 plus 5, that is 11. Is 11 less than infinity? Yes, it is less than infinity, so update it. ठीक है. Now we have to move ahead. Which one to select? Which is the smallest, 8 or 11? 8 is smallest, so select this one. ठीक है. Now we have to move ahead. ठीक है. Again consider this as u, consider this as v. So u plus cost of edge, that is 8 plus 1, that is 9. ठीक है. Now here it is 11 and we have got the answer 9. So is 9 less than 11? Yes, it is less than 11, so update, means 11 will be updated with 9. So this way 6 is also updated with the help of this formula. Okay, is that very clear? Now let's consider all them together what were our other edges other than starting point, means what were the vertices. ठीक है, वर्टाइसेस हमारे कौन से थे, 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. ठीक है, 2 3 4 5 एंड 6. नाउ व्हाट वाज द डिस्टेंस ऑफ द वर्टाइसेस. अभी 2 का डिस्टेंस हमें क्या मिला, दैट इज 2. 3 का डिस्टेंस क्या मिला, 3. 4 का डिस्टेंस क्या मिला, 8. 5 का डिस्टेंस 6. 6 का डिस्टेंस 9. So in this way we have calculated the least possible distance. In this way, with the minimum cost, with the optimum cost, by following the greedy method, means step by step, by considering one input at a time, we have traveled complete graph without avoiding any single node. So in this way we can follow the traversing in Dijkstra algorithm. Means in this way we can find the shortest path with the help of given relaxation formula in Dijkstra algorithm, which is used to find the shortest path, where it is used for single source shortest path problem. Okay, so that's all for Dijkstra algorithm.